We just came to the Dantewada Land of Angels Park. So excited to explore that. My battery is like dying on me, so I'm going to try my best to get as much of this as I can before it dies. I'll continue to film with my phone, but just in case.
What's up, fans? What's up, people? What's up, people?
Yeah.
My name is Vinuri.
Y'all are not ready for this. How pretty!
Go.
That way or this way? Looks interesting.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
We found the hut. Look, baby. Whoa. We then went on to take some photos and videos, which are some of the ones you're seeing here. And then we also sat down in the cafe that they have inside for some mango sticky rice, of course.
Sorry. This no eat.
No eat?
Yes.
What is that? Thank you, baby. So a little bit of a hiccup this morning. The weather is not the best. But staying at this place called Cockwood Homestay, which is super nice. But the thing is, it's like very off-road, and when we came down, we couldn't get any taxi or Grab or anything because there's no one around. Grab is like a Uber service basically. And we are very late to our first activity, and we figured out to find a driver, so we're just waiting for them now. You know, it's okay, mistakes happen. Yeah, baby? Yeah? We learn, we live, we move on. Baby, show how much you learned. Look here, it's videoing you. Anyways, what? Why is he being mean? We are going to, I don't know, trust our driver, I guess, because he's going to show us around. We might do some exciting things, so stay tuned. So, we are currently at Tiger Kingdom, and it didn't hit me until I saw the size of the tigers, and I'm low-key scared. Taejeon really wants to do it, so I guess we're doing it. I'll try to show you what they look like, but oh my god. Yo. And you will follow that people.
This is Aspen. Australia. Wow. Now we start with that one first. Follow me. Carefully, slippery. จะหยิบอะไรที่นี่แน่ Start with this one. So you touch first. Click closer. ดีๆต้องยืนด้วยกันนะมาทัชเลยมาตรงนั่ง เอาท่าฉากท่าไงวะ
ดูไทเกอร์
ดู
โอ
Tiger
เวอร์แฮงโอเวอร์แดง
โอ้ยแดไปโก้มันเป็นของญี่ปุ่นเลยไม่มีมันนั้นนี่ this way good อันนี้มันเลนเลนถูก
ว้าวดูไทเกอร์
relax Jenny and Sky
Jenny and Sky.
yes family grab the tailนั่น Okay.
Thank you.
Ay, nami ito yun.
Yeah. So, just came to the baby ones. Okay.
Hello.
You come here 6 months old. 6 months. I got the 2 boys from the same mom. The better.
No rush, baby. Bye.
Last can you come? He's a good boy in here. Ganshai his name. Ganshai. Name Chongshai. Wow, it's okay. No worry. ลูกค้าดีเลยโอโต้ Naughty.
That one not here.
She young. She just only 4 months.
Oh,
Playful.
oh.
Come closer. Baby, you're okay. Come closer.
Honestly, I don't know how I feel about this now that I've come here. We should have probably done our research. It was cool though, but
Cool, yeah.
it's cool,
Inside,
but I don't know. We'll see. What is that? Feeding. Look, these are the different types of tigers.
Ở đây đi. Xuống. Xuống. Dạ. Ở đây đi.